In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix, unfortunately, your country is not supported error on Revolut mobile bank app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you are getting this error on your Revolut mobile banking app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, check and then see that you're not using any VPN app, as this might be the reason you are experiencing the error. However, if you're not using any VPN app or any security app, then you may want to troubleshoot your Revolut app. To troubleshoot your Revolut app, first go to Google Play Store or App Store and find if we have any update your app to the latest version to fix this. However, if this does not fix, then go to settings on your phone, and from settings look for this option called apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Revolut, and here it is. From app info page, go to force stop and OK to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Again, go to clear data and clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now you need to log in afresh for you to be able to use Revolut app. So at this point, now everything should be OK, and now you should be able to use your app. However, if you still experience any challenge, then most likely the problem is with Revolut app servers. The app might have experienced server error. Wait after some few minutes and try and see if this fixes your issue. However, if this does not work, then you might want to contact Revolut to see if your problem might be fixed from their end. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.